Hello everyone, this is Rakhi and guys, this is day 5 of the series. And guys, in this video I will do English speaking practice in real life. So whatever I will say here, I will explain in English. And so let's start. Guys, today I came out in a temple and I came here to visit this place, and you can see this, how this place is looking. And here are so many things which I covered in this video, and I will show you something special. So let's see. Here come so many people to visit this temple, and today I also came here. As I told you all, I am from UP and currently I am living in Goa, and the specialty of the Goa is here come so many tourists to visit different places. And even this temple also, in which temple I am, this temple also very famous, so many tourist people also come to visit this place. And can you see, this cow was there actually, and when she saw me, she coming here. Guys, I want to show you something. Actually this door is locked because here so many people come and they give something to eat to the fish. And here so many fish, if I give them something to eat, and they will come up. So that is actually, here so many people come and they throw out something on the water, and that is why that water become dirty. So that is why this gate is closed. Hey guys, how is this place look like? Actually in this time is Aarti started of the goddess, and it is very big flower of lotus. And this is very nice place actually. Here are so many fish, and which is inside this water, and this water is green because this water is always remain full. So that is why you can see there are so many god, and their name also written there in every door of the god. There is Shri Vegnath, Shri Bhim Shankara, and Shri Rameshwaram, Shri Nageshwar. There is so many god which is there. And there is also the elephant, and the water coming from the neck of the elephant. See how nice it's looking, you know. So they're sitting the elephant, and there is pouring water, but it's look really nice. It's so beautiful, you know. Whenever I come in this temple, I come to visit this place. This looks so nice, so amazing. I want to show you something. Let's come. And I want to show you. Can you see, there is a pigeon which is sitting there, and this is very nice place actually. And here are so many pigeons, but currently here is only one pigeon is sitting there. And here are so many pigeons which is making noise, but they are in the temple up. Okay. And here there are so many people which came to visit this place, and here are so many tourists people come to visit this place. I often come here to visit this temple, and especially I come in this place to visit this. It's look really nice, it's look really amazing. So goddess Aarti is started, and people are worshipped to the god in this time. And guys, that one cow is already gone, and can you see, there is another cow. So here are so many animals which comes and go.